Well, good afternoon, good evening, guys. So it was a very long session in the morning as we took it, and you can see Bitcoin now. Yes, we are going to take live stream on cryptocurrency. I think I need to edit, okay, because the title is not this one. Actually, I'm very new to these things and I'm too late to start on live stream on YouTube. Okay, so sorry for that. I don't know where to put the title, the description, and all the things. But what is the important thing is I know that the trend is sideways trend. Here you can see uh, how and why. You can see this market is ranging. Understand, people draw like very simple trend lines, okay, like this. They just connect top, 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 bottom, bottom, bottom. But where the person is buying and where the person is selling, they don't know. That is the difference between the other people's and what I have organized in and seen in these markets. So that is a very difference that nobody can challenge the good things in markets. Okay, guys, if you go for a line chart, the line chart clearly tells us that markets are slanting downwards and coming upwards. Now, the thing is that what will happen the next? What will happen the next? As we can see, this is a peak. This is a very small incomplete trough. So this is the thing which is not accepted in markets. Okay, this is the thing that it should at least give its body close over here, but there was something a buying pressure which makes upset. But if there was a buying pressure, then why this so much of selling? Why it is not going up? Huh? Why this V shape is tilting towards the sideways? Though it's going up, I don't mind. But this is a doji type. This is a doji type. Again doji type. Again doji. Again doji. Again sideways and like this, and then it may go up or it may come down even. Here also a recovery came, same again the buying came over here, again a small V shape. Now what is the difference between this and this? Here what happened, here it did not went the market upside, and here it is trying to go upside, but this is again M pattern double top resistance. We'll just mark this. Okay, so we can say we can still say that Bitcoin is you can buy over here if it is closing above 38999, you can buy it over here, and for target of 39800. So don't worry guys, this is your stop loss 38843 is now your very small stop loss of 250 points for targets of almost 800 600 to 800, at least 400 600 and 800 points. Great. Okay, so you have to buy. Before this indicator was telling me we shifted to the buy signal, so you should understand that things very clearly. Okay, so yeah, I don't understand how to put the thumbnail, this category, this title, edit. Okay, fine. I should go for, here is crypto. Now most of the people, it is general sense, most of the first letter is always capital. So cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, all people like a shibu, and TSLA Tesla, also Dow Jones, nasdaq. So today we are going to see all these things very clearly. Okay, I'm feeling good actually. I had kept a good title. Now this category should be education. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, let's start. Now, for now, we are just gazing for this first targets for 137. It had already given actually. Then if this resistance crosses, now what is if and what is but what is if and only but? We should go for at least RSI, relative strength, and I will go for this. Okay, now this is the stochastic is actually not supporting, but peak and trough. This is also peak. I don't already like what has happened is what is selling has come over here. Now second time it was getting sold. This was a pure sell. It is came over here. Now markets are a bit worried and they are getting boredom now. But this peak needs some a strong support actually. Like it needs a base actually. That it it cannot sustain this peak, and this inverted peak cannot sustain, I think so, and it is crossing downwards actually. So I'm not bit happy for this. Okay, I'm not bit happy. This hour for 9 o'clock, it should cross, it may cross like this levels, okay, and go upside. What happens, let's see next. Till then we see Dow Jones for now. Okay, so invalid symbol, great. It is given Dow Jones, it is valid, and I'm typing it, it is invalid. Great, I'll go for DJI. So wow, ये क्या है यार, जब लोग बाय करते तो मार्केट्स just giving gap down. Oh god. Now just look at this guys. I'll just get to the daily range. Uh, Now just look at this here. What a small kind of. It is so scared. There is no volatility. 32,739 is the low, and high is 32,953. And just look at this bars. Open was 885, then low was 834, and low was 707, and high is 953. So what is the combination between open, high, low, close? It is, there is no combination like, there is no combination. It just open, it is just high, and then from high it went low, and this current it's working at 861. So opening and current price are just nearby actually. So this is bit confusing. Okay, the relation should be in this. See, this is the thing which nobody will tell you guys. What I am telling is nobody will tell you this guys, these techniques. Just understand my personal assessments that open and high should be having some correlation. Open and low should have some correlation. But when open and close and open and current price is having some correlation, then high and low feels as if they are the monkeys in the middle and they just go haywire sideways. I think the low till supports has already been made. So it is no wonder, it is no wonder zone. But still there are no news hovering to take some positive thing. So it may just come to 33 161, bounce over there, and if it sustains, then it's okay. Else we can again see tomorrow or day after tomorrow, this support one gets touches like 32 208. 15th day of the war is really very important kind of view, and today is 13th. Okay, so tomorrow is 14th, and then forward is 15th, that is maybe on Thursday. So Thursday and Fridays will be the very heaviest day, and I think this Thursdays and Fridays and then Monday, major markets may fall down, because till 15 days, if you see the psychology, it's good, but not more than 15 days. Then 15th day and the 20th day, 20th day, that will be more harsh and to be looked upon. Okay, and markets are ready to bleed actually, and this Dow Jones, I can see this Dow Jones can bleed up to at least at least I should not say, but at least 30,000, then 28,000. It may bleed, and then it may bleed to 25,000. Also, 22,000 may be the last thing, but it is not now actually. It will be like September range, almost till September. It may come over, like come here, go sideways, come here, go upside, go till here, and then again massive downside. It may happen like, but for now, if it breaks support one, the markets will go very in a haywire way. Now you can see the stochastic. The stochastic is not still, like it is up to the previous level, but it is not oversold. Like what selling, damn hot selling we saw, 10,000 points, 11,000 points getting corrected in Dow Jones, and then this stochastics was down. But here markets are coming down and down, as if a mosquito is biting slowly, 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 slowly. The mosquito is biting, and then the markets are bleeding down. Still, 32 200 is the last hope. If it breaks, then supports 2 and then support 3. See, this support 1 to support 2 is of no wonder, it is of no wonder. It will be cracking down so fast, you will not get time to even see the news. Okay, so just be careful. This upside is speaking something that markets don't want to go down for now. Okay, or it has like very badly been broken uh, in a post way, in a pre stage, but it is not matured. Markets are not matured to go down actually, because what is happening, so much of investments that the country and the domestic peoples of that country make have done, they are a bit confused. Okay, they are a bit confused, because if there is no buying over here to the upside, if there is no buying from here to the upside, then something really crazy can happen, now there are two things, in life. If the markets get control from over here, support one, then the markets will slide upside, they will be sliding upside almost to like over here 44,000. It can happen, like let's see some positive things also, though there is a very heavy negative divergence. But if this divergence just go up, come down, and just it it may come still 30,700, and then it can again rise, come down, and then it can rise at this way also. But the thing to be watched is, let me show you something which is crazy, and nobody will anticipate such things. Now this level over here is 33,697. If you see any time, any damn time, this trend lines crossing upside, you will again see 35,000 and